Very good morning, students. In last class, we have learnt lowest common multiple or least common multiple (LCM) through multiples, right? In this class, I am going to teach you lowest common multiple by prime factorization. LCM by prime factorization. Okay. Students, in this method, we first list the prime factors of the numbers. Okay. Students, here, example, find the LCM of 32 and 48. Students, in this method, we first list the prime factors of the numbers. Okay, prime factors of the numbers 32 and 48. Okay. Students, all of you see here 32. Okay, here 32 in one's place 2 is there. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 16s are 12. Okay, and again in one's place here 6 is there. Okay, so this number is again divisible by 2. Okay, 2 8s are. Okay, and this 8 is also divisible by 2 only. Okay, 2 4s are. Okay, and again this 4 is divisible by 2 only. 2 2s are 4. Okay, and we got prime factors. Okay, prime factors of prime factors of 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and next we need to find the prime factors for 48. Okay, all of you see here, students, 48. Okay, here in one's place 8 is there, so this number is divisible by 2 only. Okay, so 2 24s are. Okay, 24 2s are 2 24s are. Okay, and again here in one's place 4 is there, so this number is divisible by 2 only. Okay, 2 12s are and 12 2s are. Okay, and again here in one's place 2 is there, so this number is divisible by 2 only. Okay, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12, and here 6. Okay, again this 6 is divisible by 2 only. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, and here 3 is the prime number, right? So here prime factorization of prime factors of 48 is, okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, students, now we should multiply the common factors 2 and remaining prime factor 3 here. Okay, to get LCM. Okay, all of you see here, LCM is equal to here total common factors. Okay, here 5 2's is there. Okay, students, here total common factors here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, and here remaining prime factor is 3. Okay, now we have to multiply all these common factors 2 and remaining prime factor. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, 32 3s are 96. Okay, all of you see here 32 into 3. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 96 is the LCM of 32 and 48. Okay. Here LCM of 32 and 48 is 96. Okay. Students, here another example. Find the LCM of 18 and 54. Okay. Here first we need to find the prime factors of given numbers. Okay. Here given numbers 18 and 54. Okay. First we need to find the prime factors for 18. Okay. All of you see here. Here in ones place 8 is there. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay. 2 nines are 18. Okay. 9 twos are 18. And again this 9 is divisible by 3. Right. 3 threes are. Okay. 3 threes are 9. Okay. Here 3 is the prime number. Okay. So we can't continue, right? And the prime factors of 18 is, okay, here prime factors of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now we need to find the prime factors of 54. Okay, all of you see here 54. Here also in ones place 4 is there. So this number is divisible by 2 only. Okay, 227s are. Okay, 227s are or 27 twos are 54. Okay, and here uh, remember the divisibility rule by 3. Okay, here sum of the all the digits. Okay, 7 plus 2 9. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 nines are. Okay, 3 nines are 27, 9 threes are 27. Okay, and again this 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Okay, here 3 is the prime number. Okay, we can't continue, right? So prime factors of 54. Prime factors of 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Students, here now we need to multiply the common factors 2 and remaining all common prime factors 3 here. Okay. All of you see here LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here total 3 prime factors is there, right? So here common factor is 2 only. So here when we multiply these factors, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Okay, so LCM is 54. LCM of 18 and 54 is 54. Okay. Students, here another example. Find the LCM of 15 and 48. Okay, here given numbers are 15 and 48. Okay, first we need to find the prime factors for 15. Okay, all of you see here. Here 15. Okay, here in ones place 5 is there. So this number is divisible by 5. Okay, 5 3 is a 15. Okay, so here 3 is the prime number. We can't continue, right? So prime factors of 15 is equal to 5 into 3. Okay, now we need to find the prime factors for 48. Okay, here all of you see here. Here in ones place 8 is there, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 24s are. Okay, here 24 is again divisible by 2 because here in ones place 4 is there. Okay, 2 12s are. Okay, and 12 twos are, and here again this 12 is divisible by 2 only because in ones place 2 is there. Okay, 2 6 are. Okay, again this 6 is divisible by 2 only. Okay, 2 threes are. Okay, here we got prime number 3. Okay, we can't continue. Okay, so the prime factors of 48 is equal to, okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, here next we need to multiply the common factors and remaining factors. Okay, to get LCM. Okay, LCM is equal to, okay, all of you see here. Here uh, 4 2's is there. Okay, right here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and remaining common factors is here 3. Okay, into 3, and remaining prime factor here is 5. Okay, now we need to multiply all these prime factors. Okay, all of you see here. 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 threes are 48. Okay, 48 fives are, all of you see here, 48 into 5 are. Okay, 5 eights are 40, write 0, take 4 carry, and 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 4 carry 24. Okay, 240. Okay, 240 LCM is 240. Okay, LCM of 15 and 48 is 240. Okay, students, in this class we have learnt LCM by prime factorization method, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.